just a little Halloween fun from me to you. Welcome to the It's Jade Bunny channel. Thanks so much for dropping by for yet another video. Today is Halloween. If it's your first time to the channel, make sure you go ahead and just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can become a part of the It's Jade Bunny fam. I put out fun videos like this all the time, and today is the second installment of my coffee series that I bring to you guys here on the It's Jade Bunny channel. And today we're making a candy coated iced coffee. It is gonna blow your mind. It's perfect for Halloween, birthdays, or just any damn day that you feel like having candy and coffee for your breakfast. So if you're interested in seeing how to make this yummy, candy-licious Halloween coffee, continue watching. All right, you guys, so let's get into the supplies that you're gonna be needing if you wanna recreate this amazing candy coffee at home. The first thing that you're gonna be needing is my #1 favorite instant coffee, Cafe Bustelo. It is so freaking fire. Once you taste this coffee, you're not gonna wanna have any other coffee. Trust me, thank me in advance. And it makes iced coffees and hot coffees, so whatever kind of coffee you're in the mood for, it will come in handy. But yeah, it is bomb for iced coffees, and it's essential to giving our spooky candy coated iced coffee the flavor that it really is gonna make the iced coffee bomb as fuck, okay? The next thing you're gonna be needing is a sweetener of your choice. I love using Splenda. I just love how it mixes into my iced coffee. And yeah, it doesn't give me that super sugar rush feeling that regular white sugar does, but feel free to use regular granulated white sugar or even brown sugar if you prefer. But yeah, Splenda is definitely my sweetener of choice, and it tastes a bomb in this iced coffee. The next thing you're gonna be needing is 2 cups. One is gonna be for mixing and one is gonna be for presentation. If you plan on making 2 cups of coffee, go ahead and grab 3 cups, 2 for serving and 1 for mixing. You're also gonna be needing some spoons. The next thing you're gonna be needing to create this coffee is some heavy cream. This is my favorite for this coffee because it really lets the chocolate flavor shine. All right, you guys, so the next thing you're going to be needing is some kind of skewer. I have a wood skewer here, but for sure you can use a metal skewer, plastic skewer, or maybe you have like a sugar cane skewer if you're being like super environmentally friendly or something like that. But yeah, you're gonna need some kind of skewer for a little Bloody Mary-esque presentation at the end. Also, you guys, don't forget you're gonna be needing some ice, so have some ice cubes ready on hand to go for when you're ready to complete the drink. And also we need water since it's coffee, so have some nice filtered water or tap water if you prefer, ready to go to make your coffee. Now for the fun part, it's Halloween, so we had to bring the candy out for today's candy coated iced coffee. It's going to be so bomb, and we're going to be adding in some mini Snickers. Stay tuned for that. Super cute. Love it as part of today's instant coffee recipe. It really sets it off, and you know what, it makes it perfect for a party too. The next thing you're gonna be needing is some chocolate syrup. This right here is Hershey's sugar-free syrup. I really love this one, not only because it doesn't add extra calories to my drink, but it tastes a bomb as well. So yeah, you guys, that's everything that you're gonna be needing to make this amazing Halloween themed candy coated iced coffee for yourself at home to enjoy on this spooky Halloween day. And yeah, you guys, let's get into making it. We're gonna take our Cafe Bustelo. This one's brand new. I'm gonna open it up. It just smells so bomb. And yeah, you guys, you're gonna take your mixing cup. I'm gonna take it right here, and I'm going to put in a nice big spoon into this cup, okay? I like it like a really big mound of coffee. So yeah, I'm gonna put that right in. Easy as that. The next thing we need is our sugar. I'm gonna take my Splenda, and however much coffee I put in, I'm gonna put in double the sugar. So since we put in 1 scoop of coffee, I'm gonna put in not 1 scoop of Splenda, but 2 big ass scoops of Splenda. I like mine really sweet. This is what the ratio looks like in the cup. Now we're gonna go over to my refrigerator where I have my filtered water. I'm going to fill the coffee cup up halfway with cold water. All right guys, here you can see I filled my cup up halfway, and now I'm going to mix it really, really good. It should foam up like that at the top. All right, you guys, and now we're gonna go ahead and take the heavy cream right here, and I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of heavy cream into this cup right now to make it a nice medium to light coffee. Ooh, spooky. Have that perfect coloration on our coffee, not too light, not too dark. This is how I love my iced coffee. All right, so now we're going to take this coffee cup, we're going to put it to the side, and we're going to take our serving cup and our chocolate syrup. Now this is the fun part, you guys. Feel free to get creative. I'm going just for spooky camouflage vibes, I guess, on my chocolate swirl. Use your chocolate right here to decorate the inside of your glass how you see fit. Let's do it. So I'm gonna start on the top. Whoa. And you know what, guys? Go crazy and put some on the bottom too. So here you have it. I decorated the inside of my glass with this chocolate. It looks really tasty, yummy, and it looks spooky too. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our other cup of coffee, take the spoon out, and you're gonna take your serving glass and pour the coffee right in carefully so that you don't ruin your chocolate design. All right, let me go get my ice out of the freezer. All right, guys, you're just gonna take your frozen ice right here and drop it in your cup into the top, making your coffee nice and icy. Ooh, it's looking nice and chilly and amazing. But we have one final step because it is a candy-coated iced coffee. Not only do we have our chocolate syrup, but we have our actual mini Snickers candies. I'm gonna go ahead and take the 3 mini candies and I'm gonna remove them from the wrapper. Now I'm gonna take that skewer that I told you guys about before, and we're simply going to slide the Snickers down onto the skewer. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's like a little candy pincho shish kebab. I love it. All right, you guys, here it is, the final touch. Oh my god, I really put a lot of chocolate in mine. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take our candy Snickers skewer, pop it in just like that. Then here I have a straw just to make it more fun and delectable. All right, you guys, let's taste test this thing. Oh my god, it is so chocolatey. Yum. And then, when you're feeling naughty, have some Snickers too. So good. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for dropping by and giving this insane candy coated coffee video a watch. I really appreciate it. Subscribe for more, comment down below, did you love this coffee if you recreated it at home, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, happy Halloween.